Good evening everyone. Today I'm going to share you with the answer keys of test 1 to test 4. So this one is the answer key of test 1, preposition. Find out the preposition from the following sentences. So I've already told you what do you mean by preposition. Preposition means what is the first position of the thing, okay, of the noun or a pronoun. So here I go to school on foot. So how he is going? He is going on foot. So we are going on. So which word is telling us the position? Here on is telling us the position. Now insert preposition which is suitable for the following sentences. Now we have to put a preposition. Okay, so now distribute the money dash the poor. I have already told you, when you are talking about when you have to share things in two people, we will use the word between. But when we have to share the things in many people, you have to use among. So that's why we have used among here. So among is the correct preposition here. Insert a preposition that is suitable for the following sentence. What is the time in watch? So watch के अंदर. So that's why you will say in. Okay. Then find out the preparation and type of the following sentences. Dog is behind. So he is standing behind means उसके पीछे खड़ा हुआ है. So behind is the word, that is the preposition. Now we have to tell the type. So we have done three types of preposition, that is preposition of time, place and position. Sorry, movement. So here here the dog is moving. Dog is not moving from one place to another. As you can see, he is simply standing behind the tree. So that's why we will say that this is the and this is a preposition of place. जब कोई movement, when there will be no movement and this thing is kept still, so it means that you are talking about preposition of place. So here behind is the word. So behind is the word and preposition of the place is the type. There are three types that we have done. One is preposition of place, one is preposition of movement, one is preposition of time. In movement we show the movement, okay, one place is moving from one place to another. In time we'll tell the object and is kept at what time, when the work is going to happen. Okay, so click the correct alternative and fill in the suitable preposition in the blanks. The jug is in the basket. In, अंदर है basket के. So this is also an example of preposition of place. Now click the correct preposition for the following sentences, for the following picture. So that picture was given to you. There was a sheep and it was crossing over the fences. वो fence के ऊपर से jump कर रही थी. तो जब ऊपर से jump करता है तो उसके लिए word use करते हैं हम over. Find out the preposition and noun and pronoun. Okay, the following sentences: I slept till 10 o'clock. So till is the word, that is preposition of time, and I is the pronoun here. So till and I is the, this one is preposition of time and this one is I is the pronoun. Find out the preposition from the following sentences. Again you have to find the preposition. He hit the ball with what? So with, he's hit the ball with the bat. So with is the preposition. किससे किया आपने, किससे काम किया? So with. So it is preposition of movement. Okay. Click the correct preposition for the following picture. Again there will be a picture. I'm not going to show it. Yes, the apple was kept in front of the box. That was the picture. तो वो उसके सामने रखा हुआ था. जो सामने के लिए word use होता है वो है in front. The word that we use for सामने is in front. Okay. Then insert a preposition that is suitable for the following sentences. I have not seen her dash last September. So last September he is talking about, so we have to use the word since. Okay, so here we have got exact this thing, exact time, so that's why we are using since. Find out the preposition and type of the following. This is the example of preposition of time. Find out the preposition and type of the following sentences. She pushed me off the bed. उसे धक्का दिया है. So it is a movement. Okay, off. वो यहाँ से जा रही है, गिर रही है. Okay, so this is the example of is the preposition and preposition of movement, because here movement is going on. Look at the picture and complete the following sentences. The boy is standing dash the surfboard. If you remember the picture, it was a boy was standing and there was a surfboard in his hand. So beside, not besides, beside the, उसके side पे खड़ा हुआ है. so that's why we will say beside. पीछे खड़ा होता तो behind आता. Insert a preposition that is, this is the example of preposition of place. Insert a preposition that is suitable for the following sentences. I have breakfast. Exact time at 8 a.m. For timing you write at. Okay. Find out the preposition and noun pronoun. The following sentences. Rohan returned to Madras after a month. So this word is telling us about the timing, preposition of time, and Rohan is the noun here. Madras is also a noun obviously, but here we have to tell the noun and pronoun. Okay, so here you have to tell the type, and then you have to tell the, here I have written wrong, here you have to tell the type, and then you have to tell the this, what is the type of the preposition, what is the preposition and what is the type. Okay, look at the picture and complete the following sentences. The boy is dash the dog. So there was two dogs और उसके बीच में एक बच्चा खड़ा था. Boy was standing. So that's why we will say between. मैंने आपको बोला दो चीज़ों के बीच में जब कोई चीज़ होती है तो between word use होता है. This is also an example of preposition of place. Okay, so we have completed our preposition test answer key. Now I'm going to make you now this is the answer key of transitive and intransitive verb. Identify whether the sentence is transitive or intransitive. She advised me to consult a doctor. So here how you are going to find it out, please remember this thing. You have this one, she, the whole sentence is about this thing, so this is subject, this one is your verb. Okay, now whom she is telling, what she is advising, so she is advising to consult a doctor, so this one is direct object, and this one whom she is telling you to do, whom she is advising, so this one is indirect object. Okay, so we have indirect object also, direct object also we have, so this becomes then transitive verb. Please remember this thing, this is very important, that's why I am explaining it like that. So when the whole sentence is about what, she, so that's why this is the subject, so this one transitive. Okay, then tick the correct option from the following sentences. Tina was sleeping on the bench. Again Tina, the whole sentence is about Tina, so subject. Okay, was sleeping is a verb, but here on the bench, this is telling, this is where she is sleeping, she is sleeping on the bench, but it is not giving the answer of what and whom, it is not giving the answer of what and whom, so that's why this is an example of intransitive. So we are going to mark intransitive. Okay, then we have identify the indirect object in the sentence. Indirect object we have to find. Ria gave her friend a few books. As you can see, Ria, whole sentence is about Ria, so this is subject. Gave is the verb. Okay, and what she has given, Ria has given, so a few books she has given, so this is direct object. To whom she is giving the books, so to her friend she is giving the book, so this is indirect object. So indirect object here is her friend. To whom, indirect object will always give the answer of whom, and direct object will give the answer of what. Okay, then we have identified the direct object in the sentence. Again I, the whole sentence is about I, so that's why subject. Received is the verb. Your letter, what I have received, so your letter, so that's why indirect object. So letter I have written, so indirect object. When, in the morning it is giving the answer of when, so it is possible that we get the transitive sentence without direct object, without indirect object. Okay, so this one is the example of direct object, not indirect object. So this one is the example of direct object. Your letter, what she has received your letter. Okay, so letter is the direct object. Identify the verb in the following sentences. Suddenly the child woke up. So what is the verb? So what is the action word going on? So the child is the subject and the verb is the woke up. So woke up is the verb. I'm going to mark it क्योंकि ये जो action हो रहा है, that is woke up. So that's why we are going to take woke up. Okay, then we have tick the subject of the following sentences. Jackie called the police on time. Okay, so here we have to find out the so here Tick the subject on the following sentences. Jackie called the police on time. So whom does she call? So Jackie. The whole sentence is about Jackie. So this we have to find out the subject. Please remember this thing. What is subject? So what is the verb? Okay, so that's why this one is the verb. Whom she is calling? The police. So that's why this is indirect object here. Okay, so Jackie is the subject. He's asking subject. Recognize whether transitive or intransitive sentences. The police asked me to sit down. Okay, so now the police is the subject, asked is the verb, whom she asked, whom the police asked, so this is indirect object. What the police asked? To sit down. So this one is direct object. So this one, this is the example of transitive verb. This is the example of transitive verb. This is the subject. So here the direct object is giving the answer of what? Indirect object is giving the answer of whom. Okay, identify a sentence with two transitive verbs. Now we have to find out two transitive verbs. Now let's discuss your plan. So here let's discuss your plan. So what we have to discuss? Your plans. We have to discuss only one transitive, one verb, one transitive verb is there. So we were cooking food. So what we were cooking? We were cooking food. So here we have got the transitive verb, were cooking, while students were playing volleyball. What students were playing? So students were playing volleyball. So here this sentence is having two transitive verbs. Here two times it is giving the answer of what? Okay, we is the subject, were cooking was the transitive verb. What it is giving? What we were cooking? We were cooking food. So that's why this is the direct object. Now students were, what students were playing? Students is the student is the subject, were playing is the transitive verb, and the volleyball, what students were playing? Volleyball is the direct object. I heard a lovely song in the morning. What I have heard? I is the subject, heard is the verb, but what I have heard? I have heard a lovely song. When here it is giving the answer in the morning, but it is only having one verb, one transitive verb. It does not have two. We have to find out a sentence with two transitive verb. That's why I have marked this one. Now identify whether the sentence transitive or intransitive. I laughed loudly. I laughed. So I is the subject here, no problem. I is the subject here and laughed is the verb. Okay, how it is laughing? Loudly. But it is not giving the answer about what. So now no, even not whom also. So this is an example of intransitive. Okay, then we have identify whether the sentence is transitive or intransitive. Let's invite your cousins as well. Okay, so let's invite. Okay, what you have to invite? Your cousin. So here let's invite your cousin. So your cousin, this one is verb, and whom we are inviting? So your cousin we are inviting. Okay, so whom we are inviting? This is indirect object as well. So that's why we are writing transitive. Recognize whether the transitive or intransitive sentences. I waited for an hour. Again, I is the subject. Okay, waited. Okay, fine. This is the verb. Now it is what I waited. For what I am waiting? Whom? No, I am not getting the answer. So that's why this is the example of intransitive verb. This is an example of intransitive verb. Identify the sentence with transitive and intransitive verb. The loud noise woke me. So here the loud is the subject. Okay, so noise woke me is the verb, but we are not getting what and whom answer. So that's why it is not an example of transitive ka nahi hai. You have to find one transitive and intransitive sentence only in one sentence. I am going to send her some flowers. So I am going to send her some flowers. Going to, here we have that send her what? She has sent her what? So we are going to send her some flowers. Okay, so now he punished the boy. Whom she punished? She punished the boy. So he ran. So he ran. So here we are getting, this one is intransitive verb, this is subject, this one is subject again, then this one is verb, and this one is indirect object. Whom she is punishing. So she is punishing the boy. Okay, so that's why indirect objects. Okay, we are getting indirect objects here. Now identify the sentence with two transitive verbs. Let's discuss your plan. So here what we have to discuss, your plan. Only one transitive verb. He has changed a lot since he got married. Intransitive verb we have to find out. So he has changed means a lot. How he has changed? A lot, but it is not giving the answer of what and whom. He got married. When? It is getting when he got it is not also giving the answer of when. So that's why this is also an example of intransitive verb. Okay, so what and when, what and whom answer we are not getting in this sentence. In both the married and changed is the intransitive verb here. He is the subject here. I heard a lovely song in the morning. When I have heard the lovely, what I have heard? I have heard a lovely song. But here, when, okay, and this I is the subject, heard is the transitive verb. What I have heard? A lovely song. So this is the direct object. Now we have to find the intransitive verb. So that's why I have marked this one. Take the subject following sentences. The wind was blowing fiercely. How the wind was blowing? It was blowing fiercely. Okay, so the subject here we have to find the subject. So what is subject? What do you mean by subject? Subject is the when this whole sentence is about that thing. So the whole sentence is about the wind. So that's why we are going to mark the wind is the subject. Subject will mostly come in front. Okay, in the starting of the sentence. Identify the verb in the following sentence. Somebody opened the door. So now we have to find out the verb. Verb is the action word. So what is the action here? Action happening here. Action is opened. So that's why it is. We will write opened here. Okay, students. So this one is the answer key of test 1 and test 2. I am going to send you the answer key of test 3 and test 4 also. Okay.